Today, I'm excited to announce an entirely new AR platform with a revolutionary new product. And here it is.
Tim Cook has finally announced the product that Apple thinks is the future of hardware for the next 10 years. Apple's annual Worldwide Developers Conference kicked off on 5th June with the first look of a product that has been years in making. The Apple Vision Pro is the company's first AR/VR headset, and it can seamlessly blend the real world to the digital world. The headset might look like a conventional VR headset, but what's underneath is a fully functional computer, powering extended reality experiences that go far beyond anything we have seen before. The AR experience are powered by dual 4K displays and an M2 processor paired up with the brand new R1 chip. Think of it like a TV floating in front of you that only you can see. The first iPhone took 2.5 years to make, and the latest Apple Vision Pro took 5 years in making. Tim Cook said that this will be a new era of computing. Apple revolutionized the music industry with the iPods and revolutionized the mobile smartphone industry with the iPhones. And now they want to revolutionize computing. According to Apple, future is with the devices we are wearing. But do we really need this revolution? We know what impact smartphones had in the last few decades. Can this device create the same impact?
It's beautiful. It's a beautiful object. The real thing, of course, that it does is enable you to see, hear, and interact with digital content right in your physical space.
There are already few virtual reality headsets in the market. You can enjoy VR with a mobile phone, or headsets like Oculus and Meta are available in the market. But what's the difference between them? What difference is Apple trying to make? Apple is trying to mix AR and VR into the same headset. The combined resolution of two screens is 23 million pixels, and this is more than a 4K display. But the thing is, it's not just a display in front of you. They have tried to show that you are in a virtual environment, but you are still connected with the present environment. And they have installed multiple cameras for this. There are multiple cameras and special sensors in the headset. They have also installed cameras and sensors inside the headset to track your eyes. So if you wear the Apple Vision Pro, you can still see the outside world. If you are in a virtual world and someone comes to approach you, the headset will automatically detect that, and it will enable you to talk to that person in front of you. You can create a virtual environment inside it. You can interact with it and even play games inside it. You can use iPhone, Mac and iPad apps. You can even enjoy the theater at home, or you can even watch a match. You can even do same things that you do in the real world just sitting on your couch. It can even make FaceTime calls. But how can you do a video call with it? You just have to place the headset in front of you. It can scan your face and it will create a digital avatar of you. And then you can talk to any person on a video call. This is what their vision is. It's look way futuristic, right? But how can you control it? Is there a remote or something? Nope, it's a completely independent device. You don't need to connect it with your iPhone, MacBook, iPad or any external device. First of all, you can just talk to it like a person, like you do with Siri right now. Then the most important, it will track your eyes and hands. It will analyze what you want to focus on. It will also track your hand gestures. It has a special sensor installed inside it. Apple has designed it in a way that it can detect your hand gestures using AI technology. They have also added optic ID for security, meaning it will scan your eyes to unlock the device. Like they scan our faces and fingerprints now. No one else would be able to access your personal information. And yeah, you can even create memories with it. You can record your memories in a virtual environment. It almost sounds like a futuristic Hollywood movie, right? You can just wear a headset and transport yourself completely to a different world. If you haven't seen the movie Ready Player One, I highly recommend you watch it. It's around the same concept. It runs on a M2 chip and Apple MacBooks also use these chips. The product is designed in a way that it is slim and lightweight so that it is easy to wear. One problem with other virtual reality headsets is that the hardware is very heavy. But wait, can people like me, people with glasses, can they wear it? Apple is partnering with Zeiss to offer Zeiss optical inserts that can be customized to each person's vision prescription. The insert will attach to the Vision Pro lenses magnetically, allowing for precise viewing and eye tracking. It runs on a visionOS. Apple has made a special OS for this device. It will have its own app store too, where you can download applications. Disney has confirmed that they are already working on the app. They are making a lot of content and apps exclusively for the headset. The headset is powered by this detachable battery pack that attaches with a cord and a magnet. It powers it for just 2 hours in a single charge, which is very less. Let's talk about the price now. You will be surprised. It is priced at $3,500 in USA. It will be launched in the market in early 2024, but the product is not ready for the market. At least there is no mass production yet. Usually during Apple live streams, Apple shows some kind of demo of the product, but not this time. Even the media that was invited to the USA, they were just allowed to take a photo of the headset. No touching, no demos, nothing. But this is an ambitious project that will define Tim Cook's legacy. Apple is set to make it on an order basis, and then it will get feedbacks from those people, how the device is working, how the apps are running and all. Because this is a very futuristic product and Apple still has doubts about it. But Apple is not the first company to do this. Google has also tried this before. 10 years ago, Google launched Google Glasses, but it turned out to be a huge disaster. Microsoft has made their AR glasses HoloLens. Even Jio launched their VR headsets. Ahead of Apple's announcement, Mark Zuckerberg also launched Meta Quest 3, a similar standalone VR headset that will retail for a significantly lower $500 price point. However, unlike Apple Vision Pro, Meta Quest 3 is powered by a smartphone-grade Qualcomm chipset that has significantly lower resolution space and a much smaller number of external sensors. But the Meta Quest 3 does include external controllers. The thing is, usually the AR/VR industry is for business purposes only. It's mainly used in corporates, enterprises, and designing stuff. It's used more on a business side than consumer level. VR headsets are used to design vehicles and cars. Microsoft makes HoloLens for different purposes, but they only make it for companies that need it. It was not successful at the consumer level. Let's see if Apple can do it. But the thing is, it's very expensive. The product is worth $3,500 US. In Indian rupees, it's roughly 3 lakh rupees. And it's possible that Apple won't bring this product in India anytime soon. They will make this product and stabilize it first. If everything works, they will launch a cheaper and lighter version of it. They may launch a more affordable version, maybe a 1 to 1.5 lakhs price point, because that price point is more sustainable in the Indian market. But the thing is, no one has even tried this product yet. Will this even work? If you bring such a big screen in front of your eyes, will it affect your eyes or not? We are in a very early stage and there are a lot of questions about it. We don't know what the future will be. It's Apple's one of the most hyped products. Will you ever buy a headset worth 3 lakh rupees? And how do you think this device could be used to improve the way we live and way we work? But to know the answer of everything, we'll have to wait till it's launched next year. Till then, thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.